Ramdam na ramdam natin. Grabe guys. Dito sa Singapore, kapag nawawala ka, sundan mo lang yung MRT. Good morning guys. Happy Monday. So holiday today sa Pilipinas. We're still in Singapore. Obviously pumasok na sila mami. Lahat ang gagawin sa morning. So we'll ride today. We'll do a quick one. To be honest, hindi ko pa alam kung saan. But I feel like titignan natin yung feeling ng legs ko. I'd like to go to Mandai. Medyo tagal na tayo hindi nakapunta ron. Alam ko medyo challenging dahil medyo maraming ahon-ahon doon, but let's try. Let's go. Coffee tayo mamaya. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Monday morning. It's 7:30 in the morning. So usually around this time medyo maaraw na, makulimlim guys. Di tayo nag-check ng weather. Sana hindi tayo maging basang sisiw today. Let's go. Change of plans guys. Feeling ko mabigat mga hita ako today. Hindi natin kakayanin yung Mandai. So we'll try to do Woodlands, ikot na lang ng Bukit Batok. So this is going to be a very short ride, and then kapilan tayo guys. Let's go. Alright, so Woodlands Road. Alright, U-turn tayo guys. So Mandai Road. Hanap tayo ng coffee spot dito sa Shell. Right guys, so after natin mag-research ng coffee spot, so we found not too close, 10 kilometers away, papunta sa Bukit Timah Railroad Station. So sana bukas, according kay Google, bukas na siya. And it's been a while since nakapasyal tayo doon, so we'll revisit that. So bad side ay babalik tayo sa pinanggalingan natin to Woodlands, but it's okay. So it's 10 kilometers away, so hopefully hindi pa masyadong mainit. Kanina makulimlim, ngayon lumalabas na uling araw. So but I would assume mas busy na ngayon yung kalye. Let's go. Right guys, so nadadaan tayo sa Park Connector guys. So okay lang, di naman tayo nag-aabol ng speed ngayon. So chill lang tayo sa sa PCN para car free tayo dito guys. So maximum dito guys 25. So busy sa mga runners today guys. So talagang bagsak ang speed stats natin dito. It's okay. Ano lang tayo, chill. First time natin dito guys, so kaya in-explore ko na rin. So first time natin sa PCN na to. Lagi ko nakikita to kapag nagre-reroute ako ng mapa. So lagi sinasuggest dito para wala ka sa main road. Kaya ang gano'ng kalaki. Kaya yung reason bakit hindi bumabaha dito sa Singapore. Yan, so hindi ko alam sa mga official natin, flood control. Ganyan itsura po, para lang may idea kayo. Okay, so sinlawak ng highway. Ito mababaw pa nga, pero yung iba dito malalalim. So pasyal kayo Singapore na makita nyo. Hi guys, maambon, yari tayo. Mukhang malakas ng boss na to, pero let's see. Maambon, rain, go away. Guys, rail corridor. Kayaman mga tao dito, guys. Yung mga supercars nila sa kalye lang. So napunta tayo sa landed houses area. Na-reroute ako, so hanapin ulit natin pabalik sa railroad area. Sundan natin to. So balik tayo sa PCN, guys. Hirap pabuli ni Kuya. Alright, so mukhang familiar na tong place na to. Ito may mga, I think, graffiti na underpass. Parang nadaanan natin before to. Hindi ideal yung tires natin dito, guys. So parang pavement, may mga dahon, so basa. So lalay lang tayo. So hindi tayo madulas dito. Medyo gravel yung area, guys. So ito na kung sa cycle natin to. Yeah, rough. Hopefully walang matalas. Ramdam na ramdam natin. Grabe, guys. Katawa lang, oh. It's a Monday morning. Monday morning, guys. And saan ka makikita mga tao? Look at the dogs. Dahil tayo nag-jog pa rin. So chillax sila on a Monday. So I saw the other day, I think Singapore was ranked number 1 parang best place to work. Kasi parang yung work-life balance daw dito ay well maintained. Yan, so tayo, guys. Bukit Timah. Bukit Timah, Woodlands. So ito yung old railroad ng Singapore. So it's no longer functioning. So ginawa na lang siyang park actually. Ikisama yung panahon. So kanina umambon ng buwan, nawala na uli. So thank you. Nakala ko maliligo tayo sa ulan ngayon. But all good. Guys, kung saan palabas to. Parang hindi ka na matandaan yung dating in-exitan namin. So pero sige lang, diretso lang tayo. As long as may pathway, may daan. So let's go. Tapos tayo sa Commonwealth. So what we'll try to do is go back to Clemente area. Dire-diretso lang to according sa maps. Let's go. And then Boon Lay Way. Dito sa Singapore, kapag nawawala ka, sundan mo lang yung MRT. Ayan, so yan yung magiging guide mo. So you just need to be syempre familiar saan papunta yung direction. So but all good. I think this heads to papuntang east. Pumunta tayo ng Clementi, Pajurong area. Let's go. Siyempre malaking bagay, guys, yung meron kang map, may navigation, GPS ka. So hindi ka mawawala in a way. Thanks to Wahoo. Ahon agad, guys. Buwelo tayo, buwelo. Up and down. konti na lang. Hi guys, coffee time. Sana makahanap tayong pwesto dito guys. Ice lemon tea guys. Yan na tayo guys, sa likod ng building na to. So ito yung nearest hawker center. It's a good one. Ganda ng weather. Thank you Lord, di umulan, hindi umaraw. Sakto lang. Just enough to freshen up sa kalye. So malamig yung hangin, di maaraw. So perfect weather. Down with not really a breakfast, but fresh and drinks lang. So heading back home. Hi guys, so we're back home. So it's 10 a.m. again. Mainit na naman. So been out for 2.5 hours and we did roughly 36 kilometers today. So it's a good one. Sakto lang, tamang papawis. It's my last day in Singapore, so I'll be heading back home tonight and looking forward naman sa PH rides. Bye guys, see you on the next one.